stunning shit.
Pimpin',
He got his stunning shit on that motherfucker right here. We keep it real. We don't care.
Over here with Crazy Bone right here.
Long hair don't care.
Yeah,
like Lil Wayne said. Long hair don't care. Long hair don't care.
Long hair don't care, nigga.
And this is why all the ladies out there, if y'all look long hair don't care, we right here. We keeping it straight, pimpin'.
You know.
Oh, matter of fact, on the real, we ain't no gangster.
I'm sorry for the misconception.
Every time I take a shower on this song, man, I always stand by.
I gotta clean. Nigga gotta stay fresh and so clean, you know what I mean?
Yeah, every time I take a shower, I always have to listen to this song before I go to shower.
What, a nigga can't have a soft side?
On real.
Damn, nigga, I like to listen to this song when I'm taking a shower, trying to cool off, trying to relax, nigga.
Keeping it real.
Keeping it real, nigga. This is what gangsters do. We chill in the shower right now.
Y'all motherfucker out there like 50 Cent, Eminem.
Yeah, oh, y'all motherfucker.
Man, y'all can kiss my brown ass motherfucker.
Yeah,
Y'all
kiss my natural brown ass, motherfucker. Kiss my natural brown ass, motherfucker. You can kiss a cockatoo's